Hey y'all, welcome out here to the beautiful community of Foxbrook. Today we're going to be checking out this home by Coventry Homes, and it is an incredible one, so you'll want to stick around to see that. It's got a very nice open layout, and it's got some options for a flex room as well, so you'll want to see it. But first, my name is Brock.Bremmer, and I am your San Antonio realtor. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, or if you've watched several of my other videos already, thank you so much for your time. I really, truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you could go ahead and hit that like button and smash that subscribe button as well. Doing both of those will help motivate me to keep making videos such as the one you're about to see. And more importantly, it'll make sure that you are notified the very next time I post a video, so you can see another beautiful home that we go tour together here in the San Antonio area. Now, let's get back to this community. Again, this is the Foxbrook community, and there's actually two builders out here. One is Coventry Homes, which is building the model home that we're about to go see, and another one of the builders is Scottfelder Homes, which is in another video here on the channel, so you can go check that one out if you're interested in checking out that builder as well. But this community has a lot to offer. It has a pool and splash pad as well as a park, and I believe there are some trails here as well for the residents to enjoy. On top of that, it is in Cibolo, Texas, which is located on the northeast side of San Antonio. It's got some of the most desired school districts in San Antonio, and so if you want more information on the schools and do your own research, I've got some links down for you below already that you can go check out and look at the schools if that's something that you are needing to do some research on. So if you have any other questions about this home along the way, though, my phone number is right up here, so do not hesitate to give me a call. I'd like to get you a fast and immediate response, so texting or calling me is probably the best way for you to do so. And more importantly, if you're looking to make your home purchase, whether it's this one or any other home, give me a call. I will love to help get you started on that journey, because there are a lot of homes out all over San Antonio, and I've been here for over 20 years in the San Antonio area, so I'd love to get you in the area that you need, the area that you desire, as well as a home that fits you and your family's needs. So give me a call. My phone number again is down in the description, and I'll be talking to you soon. But first, let's go check this one out. All right, y'all, welcome to the Calvert floor plan by Coventry Homes. This is a single-story home, and it's got a lot of space and a lot of great features in here. It's got about 2,519 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and it also has a flex room, a study or an office area, a dining room, as well as a covered patio in the back, and the utility room with the laundry. It's a really good size as well. So this floor plan really maximizes and uses most of the space that it has there without wasting any of it. So this is an incredible floor plan here. But if you have any questions about this house or any other home anywhere in San Antonio or the surrounding areas, do not hesitate to give me a call. My contact information, all of it, is down below in the description for you. So for now, I'm going to let you get back to this tour. I hope you enjoy it and have an incredible day. Talk to you soon. All right, y'all, this was a beautiful home, but let me know down in the comment section what your favorite part was, and if you absolutely hated something on this house, please let me know, because I'm genuinely curious what your thoughts and opinions are on this house. But regardless, there are a ton of homes to choose from, so if you are looking to buy a home in San Antonio or the surrounding areas for that matter, give me a call. My phone number is right up here, and it's also going to be down in the description below. I've lived all over San Antonio for over 20 years now, and I've just watched this place grow like crazy. So if you are looking for certain locations depending on your job or just general desires as far as your lifestyle and activities, let me know so that I can help find the perfect location, but more importantly, put me to work so that I can find the perfect house for you and your family. So there are lots of builders to choose from around San Antonio. I've got a really good working relationship with most of them, and so you need someone who's going to be able to fight for you, get a great deal, and as well as look out for your best interest. And I'm your person, so go ahead and give me a call. Again, that information is down in the description, and whenever you are ready, we will work together and we will find you that perfect house. So with that, I wanted to thank you one last time for watching the video today. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that like button, and go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Doing both of those things will help motivate me to keep making home tours just like this one that we saw, so that you can see some beautiful homes. But more importantly, hitting that subscribe button will make sure that you are notified the next time I post a video, so that you can see another beautiful home. So with that, thank you again. I hope you have an incredible day, and I'll see you in the next video.